Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for watching. I felt so good about what I got accomplished yesterday in my attempts to restore this to oak. That baby's growing everywhere. When I lived in Massachusetts, this kind of got away. This was field at one point. And yesterday I came out. It was nicer yesterday. Sun was out. Started working on it because this ruins my day, as I said. This is just ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. So if it's going to be a wood floor, a wood forest, let's make it nice. I am not without acorns. I'll just grab handfuls and scatter them. I'm salvaging what I can. That's what those markers are. I haven't found any deep in here. But who knows? Maybe if some sunlight can hit the floor, with this shit canopy going. We'll see what pops up next year. And I'll just keep throwing them. Throwing acorns. Pine cones. Natural stuff. Not this, god-awful mess. And my goal is to eventually get a path going straight through there. I'm feeling good about the progress I made yesterday, so let's ride some momentum, right? It was hard. It was certainly more difficult to get going today because I am most certainly solar powered, but I'm gonna set up my tripod here and just watch me make some progress. Do not, under any circumstances, copy anything I do with chainsaws or really any piece of hand tool or machinery. I am not here for educational purposes. I cut things. If you're looking for proper ways to cut a tree, there are tree cutting channels, I'm sure. That said, let's get set up and clean this out and make it look pretty. Because boy, I'll tell you, this is such an eyesore. And the rabbits love it. And I mean, birds sleep in here and stuff, but they got plenty. They got plenty to choose from. They don't need this. I am giving them a lot, and I don't ask them for much, but I'm going to ask them for this section back because that's just gross. It's even gross in the spring and summer when it's green. It just isn't nice. It's not visually pleasing. All right, I got to fuel up my chainsaw. Coming after you, Mother Nature. Let's get this cleaned up. How's this? That's okay. I'll be able to tell what I'm doing. What I mostly hate, I really hate making noise back here. I don't normally even use my phone back here unless there's like a short, cool thing for YouTube. I hate using like a power tool like a chainsaw out here. But we're gonna get this cleaned out. This is all that wild rose. I was talking about yesterday that was eating me up. It's already eating me up, as you can tell. Oh, and it's in my... Alright. This one was actually supposed to... So this is wild rose. Mother... Alright. So this is what we're going to be dealing with. This fucking thing. That's why this needs to go, this is useless. There's no point having this now. You know, now that it can be maintained, now that we're in a position to, once I get it to manageable level, that's fine. This ain't manageable. And yeah, there wasn't much I could do. I was at the mercy of weekend trips up and seeing friends, and yeah, this was my life project anyway, so there's certainly no rush. I'm here. I will say that even though I'm not a safety guy, always wear. I shouldn't say I'm not a safety guy. I am a safety guy. You know, at home I probably don't. I wouldn't wear this for push mowing necessarily, but for something like this, I'm not anti-safety, but I mean, there's work safety and home safety, right? Gotta be careful, there's fence in here. satisfying clean out. I think this little particular back and forth is going to be quite pleasing to my brain. I'm only yelling in pain because it hurts. I almost want to talk about my boots that I'm wearing, to be honest with you. I have had these Red Wings. Can you see them? Where are they? I've had those for 10 years. They are formed to my ankle in such a way. I've had them resoled twice. Reshoed. Amazing boot. Red Wing Loggers. Clearly, once things get to a maintenance level here, I'm still not without my issues, right? I mean, those berries I've been cleaning up are Wild Rose. They're in here. There's probably also like Oriental Bittersweet waiting for its turn to rise up, and Autumn Olive, and I mean, this isn't going to be a matter of, ooh, I've cleared this spot. What a magical oak forest. This is a fight. I ain't going nowhere. So, whatever. I'll fight it. Look at this, man. This is like a weapon. I'm gonna hit in the face with this. I will whip you across your face. And that would hurt. It hurts. It looks like I'm maybe cutting down some swamp willow, pussy willow also. Whatever. Whatever. And who knows? I mean, I don't know what the future will bring. I mean, if I want to harvest, I know the oak and maple have been harvested once out there. There's a ton out there that I could probably take in 10 years. I want to make sure that I'm not just a consumer of the planet, right? I want to make sure I try to go 1-to-1. It may not be in the same place, but universally speaking, it very much is, right? inconvenient thing is I don't really care how many piles of wood I have. I don't have to wander too far to find a place to start a burn pile. There's plenty of space, fortunately. I've wanted to burn, but it's been windy. And I don't think I'm talking like big bonfires. I'm just talking about even this garbage wood, just throw it into a campfire at night, but it's been too windy. Oh, we're already down a layer here. 1, 2, 3. 3 more to go. It's weird. It's been, I'm in Maine, and it's been 70 or 40 degrees. I don't think there's been an in-between. And it's either sunny and beautiful or this, but no. I'd rather have 10 layers on and get naked throughout the day than just be dripping sweat all day, which comes too, so. Did I miss one?